Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show calls in the recents list in the Signal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the chats icon down below in the left side corner of the screen, and after that tap on your initials that you can find in the upper left corner again. Click on settings, which is the second option. Now scroll down to the privacy section, click on it, scroll down again, and here you have the calling section, within which you can find one feature, which is show calls in recents, that you can enable by tapping on the button next to it on the right side of the screen, showing calls in the recents list in the iOS phone app when enabled. If you want to turn it off, just simply click on the same button again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.